Connecticut's Back to School Authority is sponsored by Yale New Haven Children's Hospital, one of the best in the nation.
Channel 3 is your Back to School Authority, and today we are highlighting the Warrior Welcome at Eastern Connecticut State University. All first-year transfer, residential, and commuter students will be welcomed back today. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Carolina Cruz is live from the campus with the safety precautions that are in place for the students this year. Good morning, Carolina.
Good morning, Caitlin. Well, students will start moving in at 10 today, and they are going to notice a few changes. Those are those CDC recommendations, including the 6 feet of social distancing, making sure that they're following proper hygiene, hand washing, hand sanitizer, and wearing face masks. But there are also some not so obvious changes. Those include the university changing the HVAC filter system quarterly. They are also going to be improving ventilation inside the buildings. And throughout the semester, 5 to 10% of anyone living in the dorms will be randomly selected each week for testing. But before students are allowed back on campus, they are going to have to comply with some new rules. On-campus students need to show they tested for COVID-19 in the last 14 days, preferably within the last 72 hours of them showing up. Students who test positive can return home. If that's not an option, they can quarantine at a few places on and off campus. For any out-of-state students that are coming in from a hotspot state on Connecticut's travel advisory list, they are going to have to test negative and then quarantine on campus for 14 days. Students have to be cleared before they can return to campus. If any staff starts showing COVID-19 symptoms, though, they need to get tested. If they test positive, they should notify their supervisor, and then they're going to have to quarantine and then also get doctor's approval before they can return to work. So classes here will start on Wednesday of this week, and once they do, we are told that Eastern is prepared to prevent a potential outbreak. They have some on-campus volunteers that are going to serve as contact tracers, in addition to working with the local health department to prevent a potential spread. Reporting in Willimantic, I'm Carolina Cruz, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.